There's something deeply satisfying about opening your hood and seeing a spotless, mirror-shiny engine bay. Not just clean, super clean. The kind that looks brand new, like it just rolled out of a showroom, but most people are scared to even try cleaning their engine. They worry about damaging electronics, shorting wires, or ruining sensors. The truth is, today, we're going step by step through the complete process to super clean your engine bay. And the best part? You can do it yourself at home, using simple tools and affordable products. By the end, you'll know how to make any engine look stunning, whether it's covered in oil, grease, or years of grime. So let's get started. Part 1. Preparation. Setting the stage. Before you touch anything, preparation is key. Lay out everything you'll need. Microfiber towels, a few brushes, cleaning wipes, spray wax, a trim restorer, and a bucket of soapy water. These are basic items, inexpensive and easy to find. Now, safety first. Wear gloves and glasses. You'll be working with chemicals and old grime, and protecting your hands is a must. Next, disconnect your car battery. Always. If your battery is located under the hood, if your car has lots of plastic engine covers, good news. They're designed to keep water away from sensitive components. You'll still want to spray gently, but you don't need to be scared. And one important reminder, never use a pressure washer directly on your engine. A light shower setting from a hose is perfect. Engines are built to handle rain, not pressurized water. Once brighten instantly, and this one step alone makes a massive visual difference. By the end of dry cleaning, Part 3. Wet cleaning. The careful wash. This is the part most people fear. But if done right, it's completely safe. Start with a cool or slightly warm engine. Never spray cold water on a hot engine. The sudden temperature shock can warp or crack metal parts, while you clean the surrounding areas. Start with the underside of your hood. Spray it lightly with water, then apply a degreaser or soapy water. Once that's clean, carefully remove the garbage bag and begin working on the engine itself. Divide it into sections, left and right, to stay organized. Start by wiping away thick oil and grease using cleaning wipes. Then mist the surface with soapy water. For narrow gaps, you can use storer, not WD-40 or motor oil. Oily products may shine at first, but they attract dust and degrade rubber over time. Dip a small brush into the trim restorer and apply it to all plastic. Part 7. The reveal. Now reattach your battery and reconnect any parts you removed earlier. Take one last look, and there it is. A spotless, glossy engine bay. No grease, no stains, just pure, mechanical beauty. And the best part? You did it yourself safely and without expensive tools. Your car now runs cooler, looks incredible, and you can proudly say, it's clean enough to eat off. Step-by-step guide to super cleaning your engine bay. A few hours, some patience, and a bit of elbow grease can completely transform your car's heart. If you learned something today, and remember, a clean engine is a happy engine.